Hi, I'm Ron.
I'm Nick.
I'm Joel.
I'm Nashwan.
To help in the Artemis missions, we've developed a Follow Me camera drone platform capable of 20 minutes of sustained flight and recording astronaut activity.
Our problem is that we do not have an atmosphere, which is why we cannot use regular propellers. That is why we considered chemical, nuclear, and electrical propellants, and out of all that, we decided upon xylene, which is a silicon-based fuel and is very readily available in the lunar environment.
Another issue we faced was thermal management. Without an atmosphere, the only way for heat to convect away is through radiation, and as such, we had to choose a right combination of radiators and coatings in order to keep the system cool and under nominal thermal loads. Furthermore, in order to aid our parametric design, we used an iterative convergence method, which procedurally considered the tank, the payload, the radiators, the structures, the electronics, and the transients when determining the size and scale of our design.
We settled on 4 thrusters for easy control, secured to a circular frame mounted on a spherical fuel tank that contains a diaphragm. We did this because it allows us to hold both propellants while also saving on mass.
We modeled the drone's dynamic system response based on user inputs, which translate to our theoretical thrust model from our experimental fuel.
We believe that this project has incredible potential to change the way that we see the moon and reshape the way that we explore the moon.
We are Team NaN, and we are NASA Space Grant.